welcome to another video. So today I have the Logitech MK270 keyboard and mouse combination. This is not a new product. This has been around for a while. I do think that they changed the logo on the mouse and the keyboard. Now it just says Logi instead of Logitech. Let's go with the box. Not much to see here. Tells you about 36 months battery life for the keyboard and 8 months for the mouse. 36 months, a long time, that's 3 years. It takes two AAA batteries for the keyboard and then one AA battery for the mouse. It's a single connector for your computer, so you don't have to use two different connectors. On the back here, it just reiterates the battery. Not much to see here. This is a full-size keyboard. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, let's open the box up here. There we go. And then look, this is where it is. This is a terrible design. This should be installed in the mouse rather than hidden in the box, but that's where it was. There's nothing else in the box. All right, this is the mouse. Okay, so battery comes pre-installed, which is nice. This should have came in here in my opinion, but it was in the box, I guess, for you, easy to see. Let's go ahead and hit the on button. Slides closed. We're going to take this sticker off here. There we go. This is the wired mouse that came with my HP computer that I'm replacing with this wireless mouse. So, size comparison, it is a little smaller than the standard mouse. Okay, so these three mice, this is the one that came free with the HP computer. This is another Logitech mouse, that wireless mouse that I have, model number M510. This is much heftier, extra buttons. Let's see, scroll wise, they feel both the same, but this is a much smaller mouse, although still comfortable to hold in your hand. Slides around easily. Let's see, turn it on, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna connect it after I open up the keyboard here. Okay, so this is a full-size keyboard. I'm gonna put all this junk to the side. So there's two AAAs installed here. I'm gonna pull out the battery saver. Okay, there's tabs here to make your keyboard more ergonomic. I'm not sure what that's for, but I think it's to drain any water that may go inside. There's more drains here and here. I think that's just to, in case you get water in there, there's a drain here to get it out. There's all these buttons on top to make your mute function and volume control function more easy. Home button, email button, PC power button, and a calculator. Actually, those are you know, good functions to have at your fingertips. It's already set to on. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in to my computer, and we'll see how it works. Okay, my computer's connected. We can look at the screen here. My mouse, it's pretty smooth operation here. I don't see any lags in the movement. My computer's down there, so there is no direct line of visualization. A lot of comments said that, oh, it's very laggy if there's no direct visualization. My computer's down there at the bottom of the desk in the cabinet, and my mouse is up here and works just fine. Okay, I'm gonna start typing. Typing's pretty easy. It's a full-size keyboard. I do have to get used to this particular keyboard. So type's pretty good. I'm not having a lot of errors. Let's press this home button and see what it does. Okay, so it opens up Google Chrome. Volume control works out of the box. I don't have to do any settings. Email opens up Outlook. Calculator opens up calculator. All of the functions work out of the box. That's good. Power. Let's hit the power button. Okay, so that's my Bluetooth speaker. But anyways, it put the computer to sleep. I don't think it's powering it off. Let's hit the enter and see if it's opening it up from sleep. I think you could probably customize that button to do what you choose. Okay, seems like, yeah, it's just sleep. It wasn't power off, but you could probably change it to power off if you wanted to. Let's see, let's hit the caps lock button. Okay, the light comes on if you hit the caps lock button. Let's see num lock. So the num lock button, I don't see any lights for. The scroll lock, there's no light for that. So the caps lock does have its own light. Anyways, that is it for this keyboard. It's a pretty basic keyboard. It does what it's supposed to. Not much to say, but I do like the quick buttons and how they work right out of the box. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.